enamba bwe mugenda auditioning olwaleero?
Enamba target yaffe this first year we were looking 25 to 30 girls.
Which classes?
Classes okutandikira at least nga ku S2 kubanga S1 abasinga babeera nga 13 aba akyali nga 13, so omuntu bwaba nga alina 14 15 16 17 paka ku 18 bw'oba osaze n'odda.
Talking to me.
It can be done. In high school, St. Peter's, Abaana. So let's hear that. In my school, please, you sound like me. Don't say in my school, you sound like me. In my school, St. Peter's. Do you relate to what you are saying? Yeah. Thank you. For what I've learned now. You feel the contestants. As the next contestants, let's how we hear. Each one of them. Let's. No, that's a lesson. It's crazy. So music, dance, drama. You enjoy dance? Give us a dance. You danced that in high school. Even you guys do dance that? Wow. Okay, there is no name for the dance. Where? Shuffle. Okay, where did you learn to dance? Since childhood, I've been just learning dance from music videos. So you've danced for Rihanna, Justin Bieber, Billie Eilish? Not really. So which music videos? I just look at the music videos, then I just learn the dances. Who's your best artist in Uganda? My best artist is Vinka. What do you like about Vinka? Vinka is a very confident woman, and the thing that I really love from her is that she knows how to dance. Okay, so fast forward. It is the 1st of February, and you are crowned Miss Uganda High School, the first ever. And you are live on TV. What will you tell parents to high school students? What will you tell parents to high school students? Well, tell them, don't quote. I mean, don't tell me what you will tell them, but tell them. They are seated here, watching their TV. Oh, and your parents who are out there? No, they are here, they are not out. Oh, and your parents who are here with us today? I'm going to work hand in hand with you so that we can. Hey, you forgot to first introduce yourself, your name, your title. With us here today. My name is Azze Nomuliro, and I come from the prestigious London College of St. Louis.
wangi
oli otya ma
gyendi olyota dayas
kati ofuuse queen majjudde nti ozze okkiridde ne wansi
kati ntandise ebbala era nga bato bakule bagende okutuuka eri waggulu nga kyekyo
mupolishinga leero tuli ku auditions ezisookedde ddala
yeah the first auditions is at Miss Uganda High School
zitambudde zitya the turn up ebadde etya baana kika kyabazze
truthfully turn up tebadde nga bwe mbadde ngisuubira but I'm happy with the quality of girls that have turned up. That is it's very encouraging. It's very so katika tulabe ekinava, but I'm happy of the quality of the girls that are turn up. So we are looking forward to mentoring them, training them. Yeah.
Tutandise naki after this auditions ezisose tutandise naki bwe tuva wano olunaku olwaleero tuzzaako ki
bwe tuva wano ku Saturday tugenda kukola photoshoot yaabwe kuba balina okulonda Miss Popularity, so tugenda kukola photoshoot tuteekeyo tujja kugira ne Africa Votes, tujja kukola photoshoots bateekeyo okuvotinga kutandike, then ku Monday bajja kutandika their boot camp. Egenda kubeera non-residential, so because being a first year then ne resources teziri aligned bulungi, so boot camp tejja kubeera residential, ejja kubeera non-residential, so nga bajja kumacha for their training by like saa 9:10 nga tubatanga baddayo waka.
This means abaana bavudde masomero ag'enjawulo but still baba balina okuddayo ewaka okudda mu boot camp. Kino anaafuutinga this transport mugenda baterawo the kind of transport gwe bagenda okutambulirako oba is the parent
tetulina resources to do that, so parent bo baba yakusupport nze nga yakukkiriza okujja mu bino ebintu bya Miss Uganda High School naye kubanga sookuwa 15 oba omutwalo oba ebiri depending family gy'ovaamu okusindika okujja ofune this training.
kiki mubeetaagamu olunaku olwaleero mu zino auditions, kiki musinza obeetaagamu okulaba nti no mugenda ku step edda?
Twagala kulaba kubanga waliwo omwana okuba ng'ayagala naye nga mulabira ddala tajja kusobola, so auditions usually kebere ku Miss Uganda the main pageant. Auditions zituyamba okulaba nti ono ne bwe tunaaba tumu trainings anaavaamu oba taaveemu, you understand, kuba tebajja nga balina buli kimu kye twetaaga. Kyova olaba nti pageants zibeera nnungi for even personal growth and development ey'abaana individually, so naye era muba mulina okulaba wali omwana nga jabatwalira ekiseera kinene nnyo ate ekyo ekiseera kye muba mutalina, oba abamu ne mulaba nga tajja kusobola nti akyagala nnyo naye nga aba tajja kukisobola. Yeah, so ensonga lwaki tukola auditions.
Mwagala abaana benkana ki like enamba bwe mugenda auditioning olwaleero?
Enamba target yaffe this first year we were looking 25 to 30 girls.
Which classes?
Classes okutandikira at least nga ku S2 kubanga S1 abasinga babeera nga 13 aba akyali nga 13, so omuntu baba nga alina 14 15 16 17 paka ku 18 bw'oba osaze n'odda ku 19 gwe linda Miss Uganda.
19 alinda Miss Uganda?
Alinda Miss Uganda the main pageant.
Then we have classes to amount candidate classes nazo
candidate classes tusobola ozitwala naye kiba kitegeeza nti tuba tujja mu engaging oba holiday oba only mu holidays because babeera busy naddala second term kasita etandika kiba kijja kuba kijja tubeerera kizibu okumufuna, but katulabe ekivambo tufuna candidate tugenda nayo gwe tufuna nga tali mu candidate class actually kijja kuba tekirungi nnyo kubanga kati oyo between okwagringa between ffe abazadde be n'essomero asobola okukola work ku weekend, the voluntary work okwencouraging abaana abalala mu masomero wabeera ebintu bingi bye tukola, so ajja kuba akolagana ne Miss Uganda omukulu gwe tulise mukulu we so projects ezimu bajja kuba bazikola bonna.
Omuntu ajja kugamba mbuno everything ekikolebwa with hopes. Wano ye first gundi gye mukoze eya Miss Uganda High School with the auditions you're doing today, hopes zo olaba nga zinaavaayo?
Zijja kuvaayo kuba emirimu gye tukola tulambula nnyo amasomero, so zijja kuvaayo. Ekigendererwa kyaffe tujja kukituukiriza.
Priyanka.
Kale.
Fine, thank you. How are you? My name is Amori Nagai Sophia. I go to Aga Khan. What made me interested to join Miss Uganda High School is for me to grow, and because I believe with growth, with putting yourself in difficult and uncomfortable situations, you develop the resilience to handle whatever life may throw at you.
What are your main interests? Because there is walking away with school fees or affording.
Yeah.
So apart from that, what are your interests?
For running for this or
Yes,
personally?
also personally and also running for this.
My personal interests are acting, swimming, sports related, and my interest for running for Miss Uganda High School. This gives me a platform to fight for what I believe in.
What do you believe in?
I believe in a lot, actually. One of them is that girls can do whatever they can do. And I'm a swimmer right now, and there are not many girls that swim, and I don't want it to just end with me. I want to encourage other young girls, either in Kampala, Rakai, it doesn't matter, that you can also do it through my success.
We've seen you acting before in a play that was airing on Abaana TV.
Yes.
Okay. What made you stop?
I didn't stop. I still act. I just do commercials, but I didn't stop acting. I'm still an actress. Yes.
Does it favor you having a aunt who's an actress, a musician, and that's Helen?
Yes, my auntie Helen Nkoma, she's a mentor. From her, I learn a lot, how to carry myself. I get connections through her, so I'm very grateful that I have her in my life.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Let's call her.
My name is Maclean Mera, and I go to London College of St. Louis. Yes.
Okay, you're joining Miss Uganda High School.
The reasons why I joined Miss Uganda High School is that I want to be the voiceless youth like me. I want to represent my fellow girls, and
What do you mean by voice to the voiceless?
there are some teenagers who can't really speak for themselves. People are going through stress. People are depressed. Like, I really want to reach out to my fellow youth, and we see how we can solve such problems. And again, being a mentor to my young ones.
How are you going to use this platform to reach that? Many of you come out, say that, but they never do what they have said.
So personally, I would work with a team that is with Miss Uganda, Miss High School Uganda, if at all I am crowned, to work hand in hand so that we can reach out to the people, and we try to find solutions to the different problems that the students are facing.
Around your school compound and people you're with, what's their main problem that you think you can solve if you become Miss Uganda High School?
The main problem at the school where I come from, London College of St. Louis, most people have pride. That's a very big problem and a challenge that they are facing. At my school, girls are depressed over certain small things, and okay, depressed. Okay, some people do relationship stuffs. So those things, they stress them a lot. So I feel if I get the opportunity to become the Miss Uganda High School, I will reach out to them because I know I can do something and speak to them. Then we do a change.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
I'm fine. I'm doing good.
Name, school,
My name is Nakaya Rian, and I go to Mbogo High School. Yeah, location Kawempe.
what made you interested join Miss Uganda High School?
My interest about this, I've always wanted to be, always dreamed to be Miss Uganda, and actually I've gone last year. I currently went for some competitions for misses for some big event called Chiromo. So currently I'm Miss Teen Chiromo. Yeah, so I'm looking forward to being Miss Uganda. That's my main interest. But then with other things, we can, for mostly teenagers about right now. Um, Actually, many teenagers think smoking, taking alcohol, being cool, that stuff, which go against their health. And most of the time, it's always peer peer pressure influence, and you be like, I want to be with those cool people, and you end up doing wrong things, because you may end up smoking.
Are you going to go to fight for the teens to see that all those challenges we're talking about are a little bit at least reduced?
Basically, I'm going to start with my school. Yeah. So you start with your environment where you are. So we actually, I'm a Muslim. At our school, we don't smoke. We don't do. Though some people do it, so we shall talk against that, and then give and promote people. You know, people are shy, but they are talented, and someone may be shy, but she can sing. She can also dance, like promote people's talents. Yeah, reach out to people that are really silent, but then they can do better to their best. Yeah.
Thank you.
Welcome.
With that in mind, why